Hey everybody, this is Miss Beers. I'm going to share a screen with you, and what it is Mr. Saxon telling all of us how to upload assignments to Google Classroom. So if you've had some issues with that or are looking to have a little bit more success, we're going to watch this video and hopefully it'll give you what you need. Any further questions, and you can text your teachers or email us or call us. We're available to you.
Hey guys, Mr. Saxon here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a teacher at Gould Elementary School. Today what we're going to talk about how to upload documents into the Google Classroom. So if your child has assignments to turn in, definitely going to want to know how to do that. It's super important right now with the remote learning. So we've got to make sure for the success of our students that we know how to do this and do it the right way. So I'm going to show you the #1 way to do that today. Okay. So if you've never logged into the Google Classroom platform before, it's pretty simple. #1 thing is you're going to have to be logged in to your child's student login. Only way this is going to work, so you're going to make sure that you've got to be logged into that platform. Once you're there, you're going to go to the Google homepage, just as you see. You're going to go to the Google homepage. At that point, you're going to come up here to what is called the Google Apps, which is this little 9 little squares up here. There are 9 little squares that make one big square. Okay, you're going to click on Google Apps. Once you click on Google Apps, you're going to see various Google apps like YouTube, Play Store, Contacts, Photos, and things like that. You're going to keep scrolling down. All right. So if you scroll down and you use this little bar right here, you can scroll down. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to see Classroom. It's going to have an icon that looks like a blackboard. Okay. You're going to click on that. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you to the main page where all of your classes would be if you had multiple classes. However, you should only have 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 if your student has been in several classrooms before this school year. If you have not joined your teacher's classroom yet, you're going to have to use the class code they have given you. Okay? And the way that you do that is you'll come up here and you'll click right up here. It'll say create or join a class. All right, it's a little plus sign right up here. And you're going to click that. And once you click that, you will click join class. Once you click join class, it'll come up with another window. And this little window will ask you for your class code. Okay, for this video's purpose, I've already made a class, so I will not have to input a class code. But this is just to show you how you input your class code if you have not done so yet. Now that you're here, you're going to click on the classroom that you're in now, meaning if you're in my classroom now, you would click Mr. Saxon's class, if you have joined it, of course. Now, I'm going to click on test class. This is a class that I've created. This is the main hub for everything in Google Classroom. This is called the stream page. What this page is for is for all the new information that your teacher provides on a day-to-day, hour-to-hour, minute-to-minute, second-to-second basis, because we've been doing this for quite some time now, okay? So we're getting pretty used to it. Once you're here, you're going to want to look straight up at the top of that page, and you're going to see Stream, Classwork, and People. These are your 3 tabs, okay? These 3 tabs show you everything that's in the class. It's not that complicated, actually. It's pretty simple. Once you go here, you're going to want to go to Classwork. Now that you're in Classwork, it's going to look a little bit different. Mine's a little bare because it is a test class, but you will see a lot more information here, most likely on an actual classroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my assignment. This is my weekly assignment here. I've got it says test assignment. Once you click on this, it's going to say view assignment. Now, this is it. This is it. This is the part that's really important. This is the part where you're going to be turning something in. Okay? If you go over here and you see on the right, it says your work. Your work, you're going to add or create your work. Okay? Now, what it means by create is you can create it in a Google Doc. All right, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to focus on a file. Okay? So if we go here, you're going to see, once you click add or create, you're going to see Google Drive, link, and file. What we're going to want to click is we're going to click File. Once you click File, it's going to bring up another window. It's going to ask you if you want to upload files from your device, or you could upload things straight from your Google Drive, okay, if you've saved them to Google Drive. If you haven't, and they're on your device, you're going to click Select Files from your device. Once it does that, it's going to bring up a folder that you have. All right, and I actually happen to have a test assignment right here. So it says Google test assignment. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click Open. Once I do that, it'll show me that it has been loaded, but it hasn't been uploaded yet. So we're not done. We're not done. Okay. So you're going to want to click Upload. Once you click Upload, you're going to see the status bar, and it's going to show you that it is now uploading. But I'm still not done. Okay. You're going to want to turn it in now. Okay. Now you have to click the green button that says Turn In. Once you click the green button that says Turn In, it's turned in. You're good to go. Okay. You're good to go. If you wanted to add anything to that, you could add another assignment. You could say Add or Create, and you could add another assignment that you've got for that, okay? If you wanted to add a private comment to your teacher saying, sorry, this is late or something like that, you could do so right here, okay? You could do so right there. All right, so you're going to want to click Turn In. It's going to say Turn in your work. One attachment will be submitted for the test assignment. And then you want to click Turn In again. It really wants you to make sure you're positive on turning this in. And right there, it'll actually say Turned In. You see right there, it says Turned In. Okay? You can also unsubmit it. So if you made a mistake on the assignment, you can unsubmit the assignment. And then you can resubmit it. And that, of course, the rules are based on what your teacher has. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. So make sure that you guys are being safe out there. Make sure you're washing your hands and all that kind of good stuff. Practice social distancing. And I hope you guys have a